Assalamualaikum guys, this is Hussein and I'm an English teacher. Welcome to my channel Bingo English. So as you know that we have been in modal verb and this is going to be, I think this is going to be the fourth and maybe fifth topic, which is can. Today we are going to talk about can and I'm gonna teach you can, that where you can use can, and yeah, it's gonna be so easy topic. It's piece of a cake. You guys must be aware that in this situation that how you can use can. But one thing is important which we will learn today, which is very specific and particular. It is state. Most students are not aware that how they have to make the sentence in state. State means already in my a lot of videos I have explained, and about if you wanna watch particular video of state, so you may watch my the video of in the description I might share the link of the video, so you must watch the first state. State, it talks about basically non-physical action. We have two types of state, be and have. In be we have a lot of variations. In that one video I already explained it, but in this video we are going to just talk about, and I'm gonna just teach you can. So be ready for that, and still if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for watching upcoming videos. It means that you will get the notification. So what are you thinking, guys? Let's begin the video. So guys, as you can see, I have written definition as well and formation as well, and with the help of both of these I will make you understand that how you can make sentences. I know some beginners must be aware that how they can use can, because it's really easy. It's not a big deal. It's piece of a cake. You guys must be using a lot if you have interest to speak English, so you guys must be using these sentences in your daily routine. But in this video, with not just with actions, I will explain the definition as well, because sometimes you need to give the answer to someone else that what does it talk about, कि ये can जो है वो क्या बात करता है, what it just says. अगर आपको आता है, if you are aware that how to use can, so it's okay, but you must know that in which situation and condition we can use can. Okay, so now I'm going to start definition. It talks about general ability, skills and strength. Skills and strength. Fine. So one thing you need to learn that what is ability, sometime which is gifted by God, but it's general ability which whenever we are learning something, so we can easily do it. Like you can say we can ride a bike, so it is our general ability which we have learned it, जो हमने सीखी है. और इसके अलावा skills की बात करें, which you learn from something, like you learn how to use app, like some app, photo editor. You learn how to use computer. In this way you learn how to use iPhone. When I first time when I used iPhone, so it was a little bit difficult, but now I'm aware and I have been able to use iPhone. So in this way जो skills जो basically आपके अंदर होती है, जैसे कि now this is my skill that I can speak English, so that's why it's my skill. Now it is not my ability. I cannot consider it can be general ability, but ability which is gifted by God, this is called actually ability, but it's general ability. We can consider it that I can speak English, I can speak French as well. In this way it is called. And skills which you have, which is your which is your demand. This is thing you need to understand that. And strength, it is a power. Like I can lift 40 kg. I cannot lift, but I am just saying I can lift 40 kg weight. This is my strength. You wanna show that. And your strength, जो ताकत basically होती है, जो आपकी strength which you want to show to the audience, or maybe it is your strength. Sometimes people say what is your strength, you may say my strength is I can make everyone happy in every situation. So you can also say in this way. Fine. So this is the definition which I have explained you कि ये general ability जो आपकी काबिलियत होती है, और वो skills जो आपका basically हुनर होता है जो आप सीखते हो, strength वो जो आपकी ताकत होती है. Fine. So it talks about these things. Now we are going to move on our formation, and then you will get to know that how you guys can make the sentence. It's totally easy to make sentence of can. How? In subject we always talk about positivity, like subject, can, verb, first form we have to use. We don't have to use second and third form. First form and object. Like simply I would say I can speak English. It's going to be my ability as well, and my skill. I can say I can speak English. Fine. So in this how you guys can make, मैं बेसिकली इन उर्दू और हिंदी भी इससे लाइक कर सकता हूँ, कर सकना जो भी होता है वो यूज़ होता है कि मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ, मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ, मैं आपको पढ़ा सकता हूँ, आई कैन टीच यू, आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, आई कैन गो एनीवेयर, आई कैन यूज़ मोबाइल, आई कैन विजिट दैट प्लेस, आई कैन राइट फ्रेंच, आई कैन यूज़ माई मोबाइल, आई कैन ऑपरेट कंप्यूटर, इस तरीके से आई कैन राइट ऑन वाइट बोर्ड, ये सारे मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ, ये इस सिचुएशन में आते हैं। इन नेगेटिव यू कैन मेक विच यू कैन नॉट डू द वर्क, लाइक you can say I cannot use iPhone, I cannot ride a bike, I cannot drive a car, इस तरीके से कि मैं कार को ड्राइव नहीं कर सकता, मैं बाइक नहीं चला सकता, I cannot teach anyone, मैं किसी को पढ़ा नहीं सकता, I can teach, इस तरीके से affirmative और negative जो इनकारी हैं। And interrogative you can say can you go to market, क्या तुम मार्केट जा सकते हो? Actually if you are if you're young, so your parents might not give you permission to go anywhere, so that's why they might ask you can you go market. When you are able to go, then they can say yeah I can go market, now I have been able, मैं काबिल हो चुका हूँ, now I can go to market. So in this way, or can you do this work, can you help me, can you give me a favor, can you help me to tell your name, इस तरीके से क्या आप मदद कर सकते हैं मेरा भाई, you can ask in this way as well. ठीक है, so ये आपके सवालियाँ हैं कि क्या आप ये काम कर सकते हैं, can you do this work, can I have your mobile, oh can I have, it is a state which I am going to tell that you guys make this sentences easy. Number 2 I can say I can explain everything. In this way you guys can write I can explain everything, I can operate computer, I can operate computer. In this how you guys can write sentence, it's not a big deal, it's very easy sentences. And I can what I was saying, I can ride a bike, I can ride a bike. In this way I can drive a car, you can also ride a bike, I can drive a car. You just need to use first form, always remember. Fine. And now we are going to talk about state. Actually in previous video as well, if you watch, so I talk about state, we always see state in every sentence, like in every modal verb, even though in basic level, in active passive as well we might have state. Yeah, so state, it has a great deep and profound knowledge which we must learn in our life. कि हमें स्टेट के बारे में ज़रूर याद करना है, हमें इसको सीखना है, क्योंकि already you guys are aware to make how to make action sentences, but over here I am going to tell you how you can make the sentence in state, like subject plus can plus be plus object and noun. There is no action, now subject plus can plus have plus object and noun, there is no action. Fine. So how you guys are going to make with the help of this formation, like I can be happy, मैं खुश हो सकता हूँ, ये be का है, remember I can be happy, मैं खुश हो सकता हूँ, I can be sad, मैं sad हो सकता हूँ, I can be ill, मैं बीमार हो सकता हूँ. If I eat those things, if I eat unhealthy food, so I can be ill. अगर मैं unhealthy food खाता हूँ, so मैं बीमार हो सकता हूँ. I can be there, मैं वहाँ हो सकता हूँ. I can be taller, मैं लंबा हो सकता हूँ, but I am not taller, I am smaller. And I can be with you, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हो सकता हूँ. So इस तरीके से I can be there, I can be here, I can be near you, and I can be happy, I can be sad, I can be energetic, I can be enthusiastic, मैं जोशीला हो सकता हूँ, energetic हो सकता हूँ. इस तरीके के सेंटेंस आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं can be में. I can be a teacher in future, आप ये भी कह सकते हैं कि मैं टीचर हो सकता हूँ फ्यूचर में. So ये मैं हो सकता हूँ, ये वो आप be में इस्तेमाल करेंगे. It's quite easy now. अब have की बारे में बात करते हैं. have के कैसे सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं आप? It's quite easy कि तुम्हारे पास ये कॉपी हो सकती है. You can have this copy, तुम्हारे पास इस चीज़ की मालूमात हो सकती है. You can have information about this topic or about this content, maybe whatever it is. You can have this car, you can have this bike, तुम्हारे पास ये बाइक हो सकती है, तुम्हारे पास ये कार हो सकती है. You can have this mobile phone, तुम्हारे पास ये मोबाइल हो सकता है. So in this way आप ये सेंटेंस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. You can say oh you have mobile shop, you can have a lot of mobile in your shop, यानी तुम्हारे पास जो है वो मोबाइल की शॉप है, तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारे मोबाइल हो सकते हैं शॉप में. So this is how you guys can make sentences of state as well and action as well, and I hope that I hope you must have got whatever I wanted to explain you. Inshallah we'll meet in next video where you might be taught another model verb. So till over here, take care of yourself, and still if you haven't subscribed my channel, so guys please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for watching upcoming videos. It means you will get the notification, and if you like my videos, so you may do comment as well. Allah Hafiz guys, we will meet in next video.